Today, we're gonna be making the world's best fish sandwich. It's going down right here. I got the ingredients in the description below, so check those out, but follow along with me, take some notes, make sure you're paying attention so that you too can make the world's best fish sandwich. The ingredients we're gonna need for the fish sandwich is black pepper, seasoning salt, we have some garlic powder, and that's gonna get mixed in with the sandwich. Again, all of the measurements are gonna be down in the description. We're using flour, all-purpose flour. We're gonna use panko for some of that breading as well. And then we have eggs that we're gonna use for an egg wash. And then we're gonna pair it today with some Cajun fries, and that's gonna really taste nice. And then we have a nice brioche bun. If you ever get a chance to get some brioche buns, use those. They're a little bit more expensive, but they taste really good. We have our cheese, American cheese. We have tartar sauce, Thousand Island, and we're also gonna have some pickles that we're gonna be cutting up as well for that. And we're using walleye. We got walleye fish that we're using. It's already cut up and trimmed. It's ready to go, almost ready to go. To make this fish sandwich, what we have here is our walleye. These are trim pieces of walleye. We are starting by cutting these walleye into chunks. I noticed some people will put them in some sort of a blender and grind them up. Nah, we don't do that. I want to still be able to taste the fish really well. Let's get these all chopped up. So that, my friends, is the first step. We got all of these walleye. They're cut up in chunks. You see that? Nice sized chunks. All right. So now what we want to do is add our seasonings. Like I told you before, we have our black pepper, seasoning salt, and garlic powder. So I'm gonna just sprinkle that in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and start mixing that up. Let that seasoning get on all of that. Oh, this just smells good already. And now what we're gonna do is add 2 eggs. This is gonna help hold this together. All right, now we're gonna use some of this panko just to get it to hold together a little bit better while we make our patties. You can do a little bit at a time because we wanna actually taste the fish. And you're wondering now, like, how in the heck is he gonna get these patties to stay together? But wait, you'll see. And that should be enough. Go ahead and mix some more of this in. Okay, it's sticking a lot better than what it was. So that's soaking up some of those eggs. All right, we should be good with this. All right, now I'm gonna be making 6-ounce patties. So I got my scale here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. The other thing I'm doing is I'm getting some wax paper. Because what I'm planning on doing first is weighing these, because I want to get 6 ounces. 6 ounces is a nice size patty, guys. All right, that's about 4 ounces. 5.9. All right. That's right around 6. So I'm gonna get these other ones wrapped up and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so here we go. This weighs about 6 ounces. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take another piece of wax paper, and what we're gonna do is form our patty using that wax paper just to kind of get it to be about bun size. Now you see how I'm getting that done? Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Now I got formed into the patty that I want it to be. I'm gonna set this aside because I'm gonna actually freeze this for about a half hour. So that way it's gonna firm up and then I'll be able to actually take it out whole and then I'll be able to go from there. All right guys, so while the patties are actually freezing, we're gonna cut up some potatoes. I told you we're having Cajun fries. So I have my fry cutter. How we work this, press it down. And we have nice fries. You see how that cuts that? Now time to move over. You're always good to rinse your fries. So, all right, so another thing we're gonna do, and we're gonna put pickles on our sandwich. So we need to get some pickles sliced so that way we can have pickles for our sandwich. Now this is perfect. This is the size we want. I don't know what the millimeter is on this, but that's what we want. Get a couple of more of those. All right, got our nice pickles. We are ready. All right, guys, here we go. We have our semi-frozen walleye patty. We're gonna add this to our egg mixture, and then we're also gonna add it to our dry mixture, which is panko and flour. Now, we chose to use walleye as our fish. You could have chosen any fish from perch, bluegill, crappie, or even tilapia. All right, we're gonna make sure we get all this breading added on there nice. Let's get some more on there. All right, that's kind of breaking up on us. Hopefully that stays together. And we're gonna add this to our peanut oil. There we go. It's our first one in there. Ooh, look at that cooking. Now that is ready. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. That is a nice fish patty. Tell me that don't look good. All right, so we're gonna start by getting our cheese. We're gonna get our American cheese slices onto our brioche bun. Ooh. 2 slices of American cheese. That's what this recipe calls for. 2. We wanna be able to taste it. Thousand Island dressing. I don't need that much. It's a decent amount right there. It's good. Pickles. These are some nice pickles that we sliced. And that's gonna taste really good. From there, we put our ginormous fish patty. Look at that. Look at that. That thing is huge. Look at that. And from there, we put our tartar sauce. We got our homemade tartar sauce. And we're gonna add a liberal amount. Look how big that patty is. So we gotta add a lot, right? Got to. Got it. That, my friend, is the world's best fish sandwich. We caught these walleye in Lake Erie, cleaned them here, made them into fish sandwich. Now we're getting ready to have our own fish sandwich. Last but not least, there we go. We top it off with that. Look at that, guys. Man, if you don't think that you can make this fish sandwich, then definitely share it with someone that can make it for you, because you need to try this fish sandwich. All right, I gotta get some fries over here. Look at that, guys. You can't beat that. Whew. Now, I know most of you guys have most of these ingredients to make this sandwich right now. What else do you need to get from the store so that way you can make this sandwich? All right, let's have a bite and see how it is. Oh, there we go. There we go. I want to get in right there. Look at that. You see that? You can't beat that. Oh my goodness. The pickle. That sets it off. Double cheese, tartar sauce, a little bit of that Thousand Island. That just melts in my mouth. And then with the Cajun fry. This has a nice kick to it. But with this sandwich, oh my goodness. I don't know how, but it's better than what I did last time. This is so delicious, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Wait, let me clean myself up. World's best fish sandwich right here. If you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, and always keep fishing. Let's go.